So during my senior year at Tech, I decided that I was going to use every single resource that I paid for. And that included the 3D printers. If anybody knows me, they know I love Iron Man, and I thought this would be a cool little thing. And then I'll go and I'll add some wires and buttons and it'll light up. I never did add the wires and buttons, but I did 3D print a little Iron Man figurehead, and that's really cool. And so the way it worked is you had to load the computer with your design. You do all the setup. It's a bunch of different configurations and setup stuff that you have to do to make it print correctly. In this lab, you had to rub the base of the 3D printer with like a glue stick or something so the object wouldn't fall over as it was being printed. And then you can watch the nozzle push out the filament to create your design. But the software reads your design in layers. And so the printer creates the design by layering the filament, and it builds upward by stacking all the different layers. If you design something, the program knows how to slice it so that it can rebuild it vertically in all the different layers. And however many layers you have determines how long a print takes. So this print took like a day, like overnight. And it takes even longer when you have, I think they call them overhang areas. So when you have overhang areas, the printer has to print extra support so that your design doesn't fall over. So you can see I kind of have an overhang for like his chest area. There's like nothing in the back. So there were a lot of like support structures that the printer knew to print that I had to later cut out because they're like printed a certain way that they're easy to like pop out because they're not a part of the design. The computer knows that it's for structure only while it's printing. I also printed all these other small parts that I was supposed to like do something with, but I don't remember. But yeah, this is the finished project. This is Tony Stark, and he's sitting at my desk with me at work.